In this video, we will apply order of operations with signed numbers. Recall the order of operations. First, we do things in parentheses and other grouping symbols. Then we deal with exponents and roots. We do multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction, and we do those operations from left to right. For example, 8 times 4 minus 6 is equal to 8 times negative 2, which is 16, negative 16 rather. Alternately, we could use the distributive principle by multiplying first the 8 through the 4 minus 6, giving us 8 times 4 minus 8 times 6, which is 32 minus 48, which is still negative 16. In this example, we want to evaluate negative 12 divided by 3 minus 2 times negative 5. That's negative 12 divided by 3 minus 2 times negative 5, which is negative 4 minus negative 10, which is the product of that 2 and the negative 5. So that's negative 4 plus 10, which is 6. Next, we've got 3 minus 5 over 2 minus 9 over 2 plus 1. That's negative 2 over 2 minus 9 over 3, which is negative 1 minus 3, which is negative 4. This next problem, we're asked to evaluate 5 plus negative 2 cubed minus 3 times 4 plus 1. So we'll deal with the things in parentheses first, that 4 plus 1. We wind up with 5 plus negative 2 cubed minus 3 times 5. Now we'll deal with our exponents. That's 5 plus negative 8 now, minus 3 times 5. So 5 minus 8 minus 15 is negative 3 minus 15, which is negative 18. This next problem, we have 5 plus the absolute value of 3 minus 7 minus 3 cubed over 3 times 3 minus 1. Deal with the stuff that's in parentheses or other grouping things first. That includes our absolute value bars. 5 plus the absolute value of negative 4 minus 3 cubed over 3 times 2. Now we'll deal with, I'm going to evaluate that absolute value as I take that power of 3. 5 plus 4 minus 27 over 3 times 2. So it's 5 plus 4 minus 27 over 6, 9 minus 27 over 6, which is negative 18 over 6, which is negative 3. Next, 1/2 plus 4 times 3/8 minus 5/8 is negative 2 plus 4 times negative 2/8. Well, I'm going to simplify that fraction there, reduce it to lowest terms. That gives me negative 1/2 plus 4 times negative 1/4. Now I can do that in multiplication. Negative 1/2 minus 1. 4 times negative 1/4 is 1. Well, that's just negative 1/2, or if you prefer, you can write it as negative 3/2. For the final problem, we have 3.2 minus 1.7 times 0.2 cubed. So the first thing we want to do is evaluate that 0.2 cubed. 3.2 minus 1.7 times 0.008, or 8/1000ths. So now we'll do the multiplication. 3.2 minus 1.7 times 0.008 is 0.0136. And now we'll do that last bit of subtraction to get 3.1864. 3 and 1,864 10,000ths.